हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लिटरेचर एंड लैंग्वेज पोर्टल। आज हम बात करेंगे रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट के बारे में। बट बिफोर आई टेक अप विद रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट एक अमेरिकन पोइट थे और उनका जन्म 1874 में हुआ। रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट का प्लेस अमेरिकन लिटरेचर में बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। उनकी पोइट्री ज़्यादातर रूरल लाइफ से रिलेट करती थी। रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट के बहुत सारे पोम्स हैं जो इंस्पायरिंग भी हैं और ब्यूटीफुल भी हैं। आज हम उनकी लाइफ और वर्क्स के बारे में बात करते हैं। He got his first book published when he was around 40 years of age. His first sold poem was My Butterfly, which was an elegy. After trying hand at different odd jobs in America, he shifted to England. It was in 1912 that he shifted to England, and there he got published his first book, A Boy's Will, in 1913. This book was dedicated to his wife, Eleanor. Ezra Pound and Emmy Lovell helped him to promote his poetry. It was Ezra Pound who wrote a review for A Boy's Will and also introduced him to W.B. Yeats. In 1914 came his next collection of poetry with the name North of Boston. नॉर्थ ऑफ बॉस्टन में 17 पोम्स थे, जिनमें से मेंडिंग वॉल, होम बरियल एंड आफ्टर एप्पल पिकिंग आर मोस्ट commendable. For the first time in United States, his A Boy's Will was published in 1915. After the publication of Boy's Will in 1915 in United States, Robert Frost worked on Mountain Interval. Mountain Interval came in 1916. माउंटेन इंटरवल ने रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट का वही रेपुटेशन मेंटेन रखा जो अ वॉइस विल से बना था। दिस बुक कंटेन्स 4 masterpieces: द रोड नॉट टेकन, Birches, Out Out and The Auburn Bird. The Road Not Taken is the most beautiful and inspiring poem. ये बात करती है उन चॉइसेस के बारे में जो हमें लाइफ में लेनी होती हैं। It contains beautiful lines like two roads diverged in a yellow wood and sorry I could not travel both. The next collection of the poetry that Robert Frost published was New Hampshire. It won him Pulitzer Prize for Poetry in 1924. New Hampshire contains small and beautiful poems like Fire and Ice, Nothing Gold Can Stay, and Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. All these 3 poems that I have mentioned over here are very inspiring as well. Nothing Gold Can Stay poem is also featured in a novel by S. E. Hinton. The name of the novel is The Outsiders. The poem concludes that nothing good or precious can last forever. The poet has also used the Garden of Eden and the nature as metaphor in the poem. The poem also laments the loss of innocence. The opening line of the poem is Nature's first green is gold, her hardest hue to hold. The next collection of the Robert Frost was West Running Brook. This collection is having very significant title. The poem on the title of which the volume has been named takes place in Hampshire, where all the rivers flow towards the ocean except for West Running Brook, which goes westward, making it unique. In this way, the poet believes that we should go by contrary. Due to this volume of Robert Frost, he was called homespun philosopher also. The next volume of Robert Frost that came was Collected Poems. It was published in 1930 and again Frost received Pulitzer Prize in 1931. A further range came in 1936 and won Pulitzer Prize for him in 1937. A Witness Tree in 1942 won him Pulitzer Prize in 1943. His last collection of poetry was In the Clearing that came in 1962. Frost was the first of only 5 poets to recite a poem, The Gift, outright at a US presidential inauguration. He died in 1963 but is still alive in us through his poems The Road Not Taken, Nothing Gold Can Stay, and Mending Ball.